Sales figures reveal a concerning trend, with Jeep Wrangler sales plummeting by 33% and Grand Cherokee sales declining by nearly 19% in early 2024. Such drastic declines underscore the immediate necessity for production adjustments. Stellantis now faces heightened pressure from investors following a 21% overall sales decline across its brands in the US market. Given these challenges, maintaining financial stability is crucial for the company's future. Dealerships are grappling with significant excess inventory, with over 4 months' worth of unsold Jeep stock. This disconnect between production levels and market demand poses substantial challenges for Stellantis and its partners. High interest payments on unsold vehicles can accumulate rapidly, creating substantial financial strain on dealerships. This reality highlights the critical need for effective inventory turnover strategies. Challenges also arise from Stellantis's pricing strategy, which has created a disconnect between vehicle prices and consumer willingness to pay. This misalignment contributes to the growing issue of unsold inventory. Quality control remains paramount for maintaining brand reputation, especially amid increasing consumer scrutiny. Upholding high standards can help foster customer loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Younger consumers are increasingly prioritizing budget-friendly options due to their financial responsibilities, seeking vehicles that deliver better value for their price. This shift is markedly altering purchasing behaviors. Brands like Honda and Toyota are thriving by offering reliable and affordable SUV options, successfully attracting consumers who seek better value compared to pricier alternatives like Jeep. To regain consumer trust, Jeep must innovate and enhance features that resonate with buyers, such as safety technology and fuel efficiency, as these enhancements are vital to justifying their pricing. Building customer loyalty is essential. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend the brand, which generates strong word-of-mouth promotion. Reconnecting with core customers involves providing affordable and reliable vehicles tailored to their needs. Adjusting pricing strategies can attract potential buyers seeking true value. Enhancing customer engagement through feedback channels allows brands to tailor their offerings to consumer preferences. Initiatives such as loyalty programs help cultivate community ties and promote repeat purchases. Ford has responded to the situation by implementing temporary plant shutdowns and reducing shifts to better align production with consumer demand. These measures aim to mitigate excess vehicle production and financial strain. The company has also shifted its product line towards smaller, fuel-efficient cars while introducing hybrid and electric vehicles. This strategic pivot positions Ford as an adaptable leader in the industry. To support dealerships and reduce excess stock, Ford launched aggressive marketing campaigns coupled with incentives. This approach is designed to bolster financial health in challenging times. Nissan is similarly focusing on promotional campaigns to encourage customers to explore their new vehicles, aiming to effectively reduce excess inventory, including attractive lease deals. The automotive industry is undergoing continuous shifts, compelling brands to re-evaluate their strategies to remain competitive. This includes adjusting production processes in response to evolving consumer behavior. Stellantis perceives the current challenges as opportunities for growth. By studying relevant case studies, they aim to optimize production processes while adeptly navigating the complexities of excess inventory.